So hello everyone, my name is Divya and I am student of the third year IT engineering. So my today's presentation topic is disk scheduling algorithm in operating systems. Here is a disk structure. Actually what is disk and what is their structure? Sorry. Disk is made up from platters. Here you can see there are 1, 2, 3 number of platters and these platters have sectors and track is made up of number of sectors. Spindle is in between them and here is the read-write head. What is disk scheduling? Seek time is the time for the disk arm to move the heads to a cylinder containing the desired sector. We have to minimize the seek time. Scheduling algorithms are of 4 types, that is FCFS, first come first serve, SSTF, that is shortest seek time first, scan and look. First of all, we will see FCFS with the help of a example. In FCFS, that is first come first out, that is we start from the first request. In FCFS, the head is moved to the first request in the request queue. Example, on a disk with 200 cylinders from 0 to 199. Find the number of cylinders the disk arm must move considering a disk queue with request for input-output to blocks on cylinders. Here is the example of 98, 193, 37, 122, 14, 124, 65, 67. Assume they given us that current head pointer is 53rd number of cylinder. First is FCFS. Current head position is at 53. Then we see here we started from 98 because it is the first come. So it is first serve. 53 to 98. Next is 183, so it goes to 183. Then next is 37, it goes to 37. Like that, 122, 14, 124, 65, 67. As you can see, their structure is like zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Sorry. This path is very long. We calculate the difference between two requests. That is 45, 85, 146, 85, 108, 110, 59 and 2. We calculate the sum of all these differences, that is 640. 640 are the total head moment. Remember this number at FCFS, the example is the head moment is 640. The next is SSTF, shortest seek time first. Shortest seek time first, in this we minimizes the path, we minimize the seek time, that we can schedule our process in minimum time. Request. Then SSTF selects the request with the least seek time from the current head position. Here we doesn't see the first request, then next, not in a regular manner. SSTF chooses the pending request closest to the current head position. Same example as earlier. 53 is the head position. Then we don't have to choose 98 because this is not the FCFS, this is SSTF. In this we choose the nearest number from 53. In all these requests, which is the nearest of the 53? That is the 65. After 65, it is 67, then 37, then 14, then 98, then 122, 124 and 183. Okay, we calculate the difference and the sum of that difference is 236. As in previous slide, it is 640 and in SSTF it is 236. We can see lot of a difference between total head moment. The next is a scan algorithm. In scan algorithm, they scan at the 0th position. The disk arm starts at one end of the disk and moves towards other end. It starts from one end and moves to the other end, servicing requests as it reaches each cylinder. Then at the other end, the direction of head movement is reversed. and servicing continuous. Example, the example is same as previous. The disk arm is moving towards 0 and the current head position is same as 53. Sorry. Here it goes to 37, then 14. Then they don't change direction from 14. They goes to 0 and then change their direction to 65. Why this 53? We Because it goes to left, because we give the direction to the left. The next is 67, 98, 122, 124, 183, that is the largest, and their sum of their difference, that is total head moments, is 236. This is the same as that of a SSTF in some cases, but there is a difference between them. Advantage of a scan algorithm: if a request arrives in the queue just in front of the head, it will be services almost immediately, that it will not waste time to the compare to the first column. And next is look algorithm. Here is the real-time example of an elevator. As we can see, we use elevator. Elevator does not go to top to the bottom. If I stop to the fourth floor, then if someone has taken the elevator to the sixth floor, then the elevator does not go to the bottom and then again go to the sixth floor. No, it is stayed at fourth floor until the new request is arrived. The look algorithm is same as that. It is same as a scan, but with the difference that one arm goes only as far as the final request in each direction. Then it reverses direction immediately without going all the way to the end of the disk. That means in this the arm does not go to the 0. It changes direction from the last moment. Same example as it is earlier. At it goes 53 to 37, and here is the 14. It changes direction from the 14, not goes to the 0. Then 65, 67, 98, 122, 124, 183, and the sum of the difference between them is 208. That is, it is the most minimum time, seek time. Then practice problem given to you. You can solve this, and answers are also given. Thank you.